I have a series of items that I'm going to be applying shape keys to. There was a problem with the geometry, and I want to go through each of these items before I do anything and make sure that the geometry matches up so that I can apply the materials correctly. But one thing that I want to point out is that it's a lot easier when you have the data on the screen with you, not just looking at the geometry. I can tab in here and I can see the geometry and I can see what vertices and faces and edges there are. But one thing that's kind of nice, especially with complex objects, which this isn't, is in the overlays, there's a statistics tool and you can just toggle this on. And now you have a breakdown of the objects that are visible in the scene, how many vertices there are, edges, faces, and so forth. And when you're dealing with something that's more complex, it becomes a lot easier. So case in point, if I zoom in on this, I can see that there's 416 vertices that are in the scene. If I go ahead and I select the vertices that I want to get rid of and replace, I can just select them and push delete faces. And now it shows me that there's 384. Now, if this doesn't match up with something on another item, well, then we know that there might be a problem that I have to deal with. So going through these, we can see on all of these items that I've got a matching number of vertices. And of course, when we get to this item, we can see that I still have a little bit of work to do. So just a quick, simple thing to be aware of. Use statistics to be certain of what all is in your scene.